Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Rupapra and today I am going to brief you about Atlassian Jira Agile tool. So today's agenda will be I will give you an introduction and I will give you a demo on Jira Agile tool. In introduction, why I have selected this tool? There is something which brings me to select this tool is Jira Agile unlocks the power of Agile, whether you are a new user or if you are experienced user. If you are a new user, you can get started by simplified view, and if you are an expert user, you can customize the menu. You can also use the quick search. You can also filter your search. And the second thing is, while developing a software, what you need from an agile tool: creating estimating story, building a sprint backlog, identifying team commitment and velocity, visualizing team activity, reporting on team progress. Jira Agile makes all these things easier than before. That's why I selected this tool, and now I'm going to give you a demo on Jira Agile tool. If you are new to Atlassian Jira Agile tool, I will show you how to sign up. So we can start from beginning. First, what we have to do is type Jira in Google. Now the first link will direct you to website of Jira Agile tool. Click on it. Now one of the interesting thing is this tool is being used by Square, NASA, eBay, Cisco, Salesforce, Adobe, BMW, LinkedIn and many more. Now we are going to sign up, try it for free. Now two versions are available, cloud and server. In server the application is stored in localhost. Now we are go for development. Next, now just fill it out all the fields and start trial. I have my account, so I am going to use my account. So it will take 10 minutes to create your workspace if you are new user. Now I am going to use my credentials. Now click on login. This menu is called Universal Header. Jira's main section are accessed via Universal Header at the top of the screen. If you are new user, by default when you log in, Jira takes you to a system dashboard, just like a dashboard of car, which display a variety of information like speed, fuel level, etc. A Jira dashboard shows various kind of data such as status of open issue or process of project. We can customize it to show exactly the information that interests you. We can create an unlimited number of dashboards, so every dashboard keep track of all your important metrics. And now this dashboard button can direct you to the dashboard which you have created. Now we will talk about project button. One of the basic concept in Jira is the project. A project is collection of issue and is defined according to your organization requirement. Jira project reflect real world project. For the example, a software development project, it can be a new game or a marketing campaign, helpdesk system, leave request management system or website enhancement request system. If you click on project, it will show recent project and your current project name. Now we are going to click on project name. So each project has a summary page which organizes important project information on a single page, including recent activity in project, change log for a project issue and many more. Now we are going to look at issue overview. Jira's issue overview has shows summary of all issue in a project group by status as well as summary of all unresolved issue group by assigning priority, version and a component. Now we are going to talk about issue. Every project has a set of associate issue. We use issue to keep track of things like bug, support ticket, feature and task. For example, in a software project, one issue might be a bug and another might be a feature request. At a help desk, one issue might be a purchase order or a request for access. By resolving issue, you move a project through to completion. If we click on issue, it will shows recently viewed issue and filters. With the use of issue navigator, we can quickly find issues, display a list of search from a cell filter, and perform an action on issue without opening them. One of the best feature of Agile Jira tool is quick search. The quick search box available from all screen in Jira. It lets you to jump straight to issue by entering an issue key or by performing smart search using quick search terms. Now we are going to talk about create button. The create issue button is available from every screen in Jira. Click on it. We can create issue anytime in project. If you want to configure all this field, click over here, custom. If I want to add assignee, click over here. Right now I'm going to show a field. First field is project. We have to select any project. The issue type, it can be a task, improvement, epic, story, or a bug. Third field is summary. Every issue requires a summary. A summary should be a brief summation of issue. It should not be a full description of issue. Summary act as a title of issue. Suppose in project we found an issue we want to submit, and the issue can be a login page error or can be a multiplayer not working. The priority, blocker, critical, minor, trivial, it's a blocker. Affect version, this field is used to tell people which version of project this issue is related to. In the description, we have to write full description of issue over here and then create. The issue is created. Now if you want to share an issue, click on issues, the name of issue. What is the importance of sharing issue? It helps to show how to keep your teammate aware of all the important issues. You can let others watch an issue, email them about issue, and forward them a particular comment on issue. It's like a watcher on an issue. Some issues might be interest to more than one person. An issue can be only assigned to one person at a time, but watcher can keep track of it by receiving notification of changes, but they are not responsible for it. Now I am going to add watcher. Click on number, the name of watcher. So now this person is going to receive notification of any changes in issues. Now if I want to delete the watcher, click over here, and if I want to stop watching, just click on stop watching this issue. So now nobody is watching this issue. Now if I want to pull a teammate to conversation, click on comment, at that, like it is same as we are doing in Facebook and Twitter, at that and name of the person, the name will pop up, and write anything whatever you want to share. Add. So this teammate will going to get notification like he is mentioned in comment, so he will look after it. Now I will create one project and board, so you will get idea about all these things. Getting started. There are two options, Scrum, Kanban. Now we are going for Scrum. Create a new board, new project and new board. If you have an existing project, just click over here, and if you have a new board and you want to use existing filter, you can use this one. Now I am going to use new project and new board, the name of board, the project name, game, Agile simplified workflow. board is created. So now we have to do is create a backlog, create issue 1. Now I am going to do story 2, story 3. Right now I am doing is creating backlog 4, 5, 6. So right now I have created 10 backlog. So in story I am going to give estimate point. When you click, their property is going to show over here, write estimate point. I am going to give 3 point to this issue. Two point. The point will be showing over here 3, 2. Right now I am giving any random numbers. From this box I can change the properties, the status, component, label, fixed version, affected version, epic, and also I can add description, comment, and also I can attach any file if I want to. Just drag and drop, the file is going to add, and if I want to add any comment for this attachment, just write over here. If the task is bigger, I can divide it to subtask. For the example, this task is big, so I can divide into subtask, create subtask. The summary. Priority measure, create. So when you click on this, we can see this subtask 1, and also I am going to create another task. Subtask 2. This is critical, not create. So 2 subtask is created for task 4. Now I am going to create sprint. The sprint. For the example, this project have 3 sprint, so within 3 iteration this project is going to finish. If I want to add issues from backlog, just drag. I am going to add 2 tasks, and you can see here is estimate point total. So total is 5 and 9. So in first iteration we are going to cover 9 story point, and in iteration 2 we are going to add another 9. We have not add an issue for sprint 3. In future we are going to add, because we have not decided. Now I am going to start print. Just click over here, start print. So here they will ask about start date and end date. In end date, right now I am going to create sprint of only 2 minutes. The normal sprint is 2 weeks. Now in progress, done, in progress, in progress. And done. If I want to end the sprint, click on sprint, complete sprint. Now we can see the detail, 3 issues are done, complete. Now we can see report. Here the sprint is showing in chart format, so we can get analyze and also we can see summary of all these sprint issues. Now we are going to go in plan mode and we will start sprint 2. The time, this time I'm going to give only 1 minute sprint. As we seen, we have created 2 subtasks for game 4. Finished subtask 4, in progress. And in middle of sprint, if I want to add new issue, click on plan, just drag and drop. So this issue will be added to sprint 2. Confirm, work. We can see this another new issue is to added, in progress, done. And in any time if I want to see report, just click on report. In this chart we can easily see we have added new issue middle of time, so it's going to burn up this one. Click on work. I'm going to finish it. Now click on complete sprint. Complete. This is the sprint report for sprint 2. Here we can see the estimate time was for 1 minute, and due to some reason it cannot finish in within time. So we can analyze the data and check what is the reason behind the not finishing time. Now we can also check velocity chart. In velocity chart we can see sprint 1 is completed in time, but sprint 2, this due to some reason it cannot complete in time. So we can analyze the data, so we can do better next time. Plan mode. In sprint 3 I will cover all these issues. Estimate 9 point. Start print. One minute sprint. In middle of time, if I want to add any column, I can add any column. Click on board, configure, click on column, add column, name, QA, another column, click on project name. You can see the new column is added, QA and customer acceptance. Now we can move it to QA. And one of the thing is we can also add one more configuration. Column issue count. If I want maximum in progress, there can be only 2 issue. Just write down 2. Project name. So we can add only 2 issue in progress. This issue number 2. If you try to add issue number 3, it shows in red line. So we can see we can add only maximum 2 issue in progress. We are going to complete this sprint. Complete and report. Here report we can see due to some reason the sprint is cannot complete in time, and they are showing the reason, like we have had 2 columns, that's why we are lagging behind. It's showing in proper detail in velocity chart. In a retrospective meeting we can decide what are the reason behind lacking and plan. Now we are going to go for another board, getting started. Now we will do Kanban. Create new board. Create new board. New project and new board. Next. Board name. Next. Simplified workflow. Create. This time we are going to create 3 issues. Create. Summary. create another, create issue to priority critical, create another, deselect, create. Now we have 3 issues. Anytime we can add any columns, just we have to do is click on board, configure, columns, add column, name of column, add. We can also add maximum number of issues in column. If you want to make any quick filters, click over here, quick filters. Just write name of filter, JQL query, description and add. Go to project name. These are the quick filters. Recently updated, only issue to me. Just move. By double clicking, we can see detail of it. We can add comment, attachment, subtask. Here maximum number of issues is 2. If we try to add number of 3, it shows in red line. Drag and drop. In any time, if you want to see report, click on report. It's showing control chart and flow diagram. Work. Just click on done. Now release the version name 2, description and release. Now Kanban project is over. Now I'm going to show the shortcuts of help, keyboard shortcuts. This tool is supporting all these shortcuts. Issue. Now I'm going to show shortcuts. If anytime if I want to go to comment, just type M, so automatically my cursor will go to comment. If I want to search in this page, just use comma. You can search anything in this page, summary, issue type, priority, and in dashboard, manage dashboard. I can manage the dashboard. I can also create a dashboard. This dashboard support gadgets. Click on new gadget. I have already added gadget of health, so I can see health of my sprint 4. And if I want to delete project, click on setting, project, delete project, delete. So my demo is over. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.